Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through a process of installing Proxmox virtual environment on physical hardware. For this you will need physical hardware. In my case I'll use Lenovo ThinkCenter MC715Q. We also will need USB stick and some Windows device to prepare installation media. If you're ready, let's start. First we need to download Proxmox ISO from Proxmox page, so let's go to https proxmox.com and click Downloads. Then you select Proxmox virtual environment and then ISO. So we have few options here. Let's download the A2 version, so we click Download button here. While it is downloading, let's get also Rufus, which we are going to use for USB stick preparation. We go to rufus.ei page and we'll download the portable version. So I will take this one. Once we have both these, let's plug USB stick to our laptop and open Rufus. It would ask if you want to allow application to check updates. Well, answer depends on you. I will select no. Once we have opened Rufus app, let's check device. Here you should see your USB stick. Then click select button to select Proxmox ISO image. So we have this downloaded A22 version and I click open. You will get message that ISO hybrid detected. That's okay. Let's click OK. All our options are fine, so we click start. You will get warning that all data in USB stick will be destroyed, so make sure that nothing important on it and hit OK. This process will take some time, so take a break. With my 8GB USB stick, it took around 8 minutes. So when it's done, just click close and eject and remove the USB stick. Now let's go to our physical hardware. So we plug USB stick to our server and power on. Clicking F12 until we'll see entering boot menu. Few seconds we will get startup device menu. Once we get it, select boot from USB HDD. Now we see Proxmox setup screen. Let's choose install Proxmox V with graphical interface and click enter. It will try to boot setup screen. Let's wait a few minutes. Okay, it asks us to agree on license agreement, so please read it and click I agree. On the next screen you need to choose to what drive to install, as I have NVMe and SSD disk. I choose SSD disk for Proxmox OS and will use NVMe later for storing my VMs and other data. It would ask you to select your country, time zone and keyboard layout, so I would select Germany as a country. And keyboard layout, I'll use US English. On next screen, let's create password and provide email address, where Proxmox will be sending some alerts. On the next screen, we will need to choose management network, also hostname and IP. So you got summary of your selections. Just review it, and if it's all fine, click install. It will start creating all partitions and all of the pieces, so let's wait while it finishes. So it took for me around 4 minutes to get installed. To remove your installation media, so please do it and wait until you'll get booted up by itself again. Cool, so now you see it's booted up. You see the IP address relay itself. So please note it down and we'll back to our main laptop. So we're back to our main laptop. Open a browser, and on the browser let's paste the same IP or relay what we saw on the screen. Yeah, just ignore this SSL issue. Let's put root and the password which we created on installation and click login. It notifies you about this subscription for this server. It's not valid for enterprise, but that's fine. Let's click OK. And here we go. You have installed Proxmox node. So we see node here. It has some network, storage. We also could create new VM now. But as we don't have any ISO files yet, so on the next videos we'll learn how to upload ISO files and install VMs. In this video we have installed Proxmox standalone virtualization server. You can start clicking around and we'll keep exploring in the future videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.